How to use Blogger to create blogs. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Google Chrome and search blogger.com. Click on the first link that pops up. In here, click on Create Your Blog. Choose your Google account. After that, add title. Choose a name for your blog and then click on Next. Confirm your display name and then click on Finish. After you're done, you'll find this kind of screen pop up. Simply click on Finish again. After you click on Finish, you will find blogger.com like this. To create a blog, you will find Create Blog option on left side of your screen. Add title, then press on Next. After you add title and press on Next, simply add a URL for your blog. Then click on Save and you're good to go. That's how to use Blogger to create blogs. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. I am Sophia signing off. Until next time.